A mixture of certain quantity of milk with 8 liter of water is worth 45 paise per liter. If pure milk be worth 54 paise per liter, how much milk is there in the mixture? So the price of milk and the price of water is 0 and the price of milk is 54 paise per liter. But the price of the mixture is rupees 45 per liter. So the amount of milk and amount of water are in the ratio, that is 45 minus 0, 45, and 54 minus 45, that is 9. So the ratio of milk and water is 45 and 9, that is 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So the ratio is 5:1. But given there are 8 liter of water, so the value of 1 is 8. That means 1 multiplied by 8. Similarly, when we multiply the value 5 by 8, we get 40. So there are 40 liter of milk in the mixture. Like, subscribe and share this video.